you how you can give access to your Google My Business account. So, for example, if you want to, if you are if you are having an account on Google My Business and you're having your profile on Google My Business, so how you can give access to someone else. So what you need to do is, for example, if my company is name is Burhan Digital, and I already have my account on Google My Business. So what I'll do is first I'll search for it. So now you can see over here, this is how it will look like when you search for this. When you search for it on your PC or laptop, so it will look like this. On the right hand side, you will have the image and all these address and contact details, and on the left hand side you will see all these options where you can edit your profile, edit products and services and everything. So now over here what you need to do is you need to click on this button. So before that, make sure that you search from your account, which is Gmail account, with your Google My Business profile. So if my Burhan Digital is not associated with this Gmail account, which I am logged into on my Google Chrome, then it will not work, right? So first you need to make sure that the Gmail account which you have logged in on Google Chrome and what you are searching for should be matching, right? So now what you need to do is you need to click on this button over here, and over here you need to click on your business. You need to click on business profile settings, and then you need to click go to managers, and over here you need to click on add manager, and then over here simply you just need to put the email address, and you need to select the access, which is owner or manager, and then you need to click on invite, right? So this is the way where you can easily give access or add manager for your Google My Business account. So I hope you understood how you can give access or give your the manager role to another any of your any other people where you can give access. So this is how it will work, and I hope you've understood and you've liked this video. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you.